But it's a wolf. What? Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna get into that.
Maybe it's a wolf pup.
That's my dog, or that's your puppy? What is it?
Oh. Whoa. Okay. Judas is really.
Wait, is this trademark? Wait, is this trademark from Texas? Is you trademark? Is you from Texas, trademark? Or not? No, am I getting it wrong? Oh, okay. And he has another trim. Confirmed and not.
From.
So all these poking tools. This is what makes this like if the Sheik plays it grounded, what can they do to kind of compete against IC's grounded moves, right? It's just a lot of those fast poking jabs mixed with the full hop up airs. And spaced back airs. Forward tilt also adds that other element to it, but you can't do it in too early percentage because you can just get CC'd. Okay. All right. That's it. Just keep doing it. Yep. Rinse and repeat over and over.
Yo, Yoni pulled up.
Oh, Yoni's here, yo.
Yoni's right there at the door.
Yoni came up. Yoni heard me, and he wants to throw a hand.
The beef.
Boo!
Oh, what an up smash.
Yeah. Because it has no one knows the hitbox. But the hitboxes, I think, extend on both sides to the floor. Why didn't he come to compete, dude? Yeah, you don't. LS just means late stream.
You only drove the whole 5 minutes to show up. What a guy. What a guy.
What a guy. Yoni is back with the same shit. Oh, okay.
Wow. You should have.
I don't know why he was.
You should have let that up smash go a lot earlier.
I wonder if that up smash would have covered the wave dash in. That's what I don't know why he would do that. What was he expecting? Oh, up air again, and then grab him. No, didn't grab him.
Hubby's really good on these shields right now.
What do you mean?
He's shielding everything that he needs to shield.
Well, that didn't work out. Okay, let's see. He's gonna ban. He should ban FOD. He should ban FOD. Yep. Grab. Oh, you missed it. When I play against Sheik, I like to bait out a lot their dash attack, especially if they're dash attack. You saw that though? You saw that pressure he can apply with the full hop fairs? It's safe. It's actually safe. Oh. Okay.
You only drove the whole 5 minutes. Just time for bracket.
I would have grabbed him down, throw up smashed. Up. So we got the whole Nicaraguan coalition right here, bro.
Fritanga flavor.
We got the flavor.
They brought the fritanga.
We got the dude. That's where I want to go next, bro. Like no lie.
Melee tournament at the fritanga venue.
Melee after melee tournament after melee tournament after fritanga. Yo, that's 69. Respect.
There's a fritanga place in Sweetwater called Fritanga Tortilleria. I'm not fucking joking when I say this. It's the best fritanga I've ever had in my life.
Yo, for real, I gotta try it. If you say it, if a Cuban says it,
bro.
No.
Let me know how my Uber here, the driver goes, "Tú eres venezolano?" And I'm like, respectfully, I'm Cuban. And he goes, "Ah, mira, ¿de dónde está de Cuba?" And I'm like, my grandma's from wherever. And he goes, "Mira, yo soy de la Matanza." And I'm like, okay. This is what we're dealing with.
Yeah, it's one of those.
This dude told me his whole fucking life story.
Oh
bro.
my, they always tell you that story, bro.
every time I wish something bad upon someone, I just want their Uber driver to talk to them. I try to sit in an Uber silent.
Just make sure they're from Matanza. I want someone from Matanza to talk to.
Bro, soy pinareño.
Oh my God,
Bro,
no, the Pinal del Rio people.
They'll talk about every single crime they've committed since the age of 14, and they talk about how much time they spend in Cuban jail. Bro, respectfully, I don't want to hear that shit. I love you, but like, no.
Respectfully, though, right? Like,
it's
all love, though.
With all the respect,
it's all love, though.
I don't want to hear how many crimes you've committed in Pinar del Rio, in Guanabacoa.
All the scams he ran.
I don't want to hear about what you did in the forest.
Down throw,
Cuba,
up
bro.
there. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Okay.
In the jungles, in the trenches.
In the trenches. What trenches? They're all cut down.
Bro, they would be like, oye, ¿tú has ido a Cuba? And I'm like, no. And they're like, oye, hay que salir de la Yuma, brother. Bro, no, quiero quedarme en la fucking Yuma.
These have been Lorenzo tales.
For all my gringos
Lorenzo
out there,
tales.
La Yuma is Miami.
La Yuma, bro.
La Yuma.
For those that are not from Miami.
For those who aren't from Miami, La Yuma is Miami.
La Yuma is Miami.
La Yuma is the homeland. Down throw. A. Ole.
Okay.
Ole. 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 Can we get some Oles in chat? Ole. Ole.
He's got about
Bro,
two more.
Is just disrespect.
There you go.
Boy,
Oh, he got him. Yo.
That's too goddamn much.
Yo, he could
another
actually.
one of those in the
He could force a game 3 if he does another.
Oh!
No. Oh. He should have gone for a grab.
Smashes from Judas are killing me. Okay.
Right there. Right there. Grab ledge. Back in. No, he can up it here. Oh. I know that he didn't mean to do. That's it. Oh, wait. No. He was too.
One more up air should do it. One more up air should take it.
No, I think he should have done the up B refresh. That's it.
This
This is gonna. No, this is it. This is it.
Oh, the fair. Okay.
Yeah.
Some good shit coming from Judas.
All right, Judas. They had us in the first half, and then they had us in the second.